What did you say? Hello? Hi. I'm fine. Maya is fine. Yeah. Okay. Ah! Wait. She doesn't want to eat porridge. Okay, let me give you 1 spoon. Yeah. Yes. Another one. Another 1 spoon. Don't be funny. Let me try. Yeah. Yeah. Just finish our porridge. Hello. Yes. Last spoon. I can give a last spoon. My way. Okay, give me. Give me this. Come here. I want to talk on the phone and give you porridge, man. Let me hear. Hello? Hello? Last spoon of porridge. Okay. Open your mouth. Last. Kapan? Va. Jada. Kau juga porridge juga. Sekarang dah juga porridge. Mini.